Hello to everyone who's watching. Today I'm going to talk to you about my friend's blog. First of all, I'm going to introduce you to our idea of a blog. We know that a blog is something that allows you to have many entries and to post information about yourself, your life, etc., etc. What we use a blog for is to deliver our schoolwork, homeworks, and some other projects that our digital abilities teacher leave us to do, and we manage to do it and deliver them because we have this tool that is called a blog. Collaboratively, we elaborated a rubric to evaluate each other's blog. I'm going to show you right now. It has 12 questions and points to follow. To check them, I made this little circle just to see if they are correct or not and to mark them to have a final score at the end. So why don't we begin? I'm sorry about that. Okay. So Digital Abilities 2, it's the name of his blog, and this is his first subject. So let's check out the first point. It has order in the content. As I already explained, we get asked by our teacher to deliver certain amount of works. So I believe he has everything in order. This is the last thing the teacher asked us to do. Okay, you can see the dates, they are all correct. Okay, so from what we got, this is actually pretty well organized, so I'm gonna give that point to him. Congratulations, Samuel, you just got yourself 1 point. It has a good title. Well, as I've already explained, we don't use this blog for anything else that it's not our school delivery projects. So Digital Abilities 2 seems fair enough of a good title. You can see Digital Abilities, pretty simple. So let me just mark that as a yes. It has an established font and size. What do I mean by this? If it has coherence with his font and sizes, because sometimes we mix them and it stops looking good and presentable. So we're going to compare them to this one. Oh, okay. So as you can see, he has, the same type of fonts for his titles, and same type of size, and also for his information. So I'm gonna give that one to him again. Its content is complete and coherent. For this one, I'm gonna have to get inside of a post. Let's see this one. Okay. A video of me talking about the wikis, what they are, and why and how are used for. Okay. And here is a document of how can cloud storage services. I'm sorry. This case is OneDrive. Okay, so we actually, this is not the most coherent set of words that he could have used. I think he's trying to translate the idea he has on his mind from Spanish to English. Here you can see a comparison between several types of digital storage services. Okay, during the week of November 2027, I made a short, really not so much, survey about online security, which is currently closed, but still can be viewed and answered on this link. Well, actually, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to give that one a no, because his ideas are in the good spot, but are not completely as coherent and clear as they could be. It has a description and a picture. Okay, so this is where it gets fun. We get to see his preface. Okay. Oh, what did I do? I'm sorry, that was a rookie mistake. More entries. What am I doing here? Okay, this is getting kind of weird. More entries. Okay, it bounces me back to this platform, but here's his first ever entry. This is the first entry to this blog, and I will introduce myself here. Well, my name is Samuel, but you can call me Sam. Okay, he has some introduction to what his blog is going to be about, and I believe this is a picture of him, but the app right now is not allowing me to take a look at it. So I'm going to count that as a yes. It has information about the author. Well, as I already told you, the author is my partner, Samuel Vargas. And as I already showed you, he has a bit of a really short biography of himself. So I'm going to count that one as a yes too. It has an intuitive design. Well, actually, it's pretty well organized. As you can see, it's pretty attractive to view. It has a lot of images. It has coherence within his font size and his font type. So I'm going to give that one a solid yes too. It follows its purpose. Well, as I already told you, we use this blog just to deliver work that we get asked for at school by our teacher. So I'm going to give that one a yes. Oh, this point isn't showing completely, so let me just largen this up. Okay, this is not correct, but this point was supposed to say the orthography and syntax are correct and are being correctly used. Well, syntax, he has some errors, but the orthography is quite perfect, so I'm gonna give that one a yes too, because he's pretty well organized about his ideas, but maybe not the best translation. Its multimedia content can be seen easily. Well, there's been 2 files so far that we can't access because he didn't deliver the permissions, or he didn't set that instruction to its organization, so I'm gonna have to give that one a no. If it has an opinion of the author, this is based on trustworthy facts. Well, as I already explained several times, and I'm going to stop saying as I already because I think you're tired of it. If it has an opinion of the author, this is based on trustworthy facts. Well, as it is work for investigations and videos of ourselves and our point of view, it's not trustworthy facts, but the investigations are. So maybe it gets mixed up in our minds, but the vlog actually makes it's part of the deal. So I'm gonna give that one a yes. It respects others' opinion and shows real facts. I'm really sorry about this. I haven't had a good night's sleep in a long time. Well, it actually does respect others' opinions and shows real facts. It's a lot of research. It's a lot of going to libraries and wikis and investigating. So if it's what he represents, then actually he's respecting other people's opinions, and so I'm gonna give him a yes. Here we can see he got out of 12, 10 correct and a correct points to follow, and I'm actually pretty proud of him. And he's a really organized partner, and I really enjoyed this activity because it allowed me to get closer to him and to see his way of working. Thank you very much. That's it for me. Until the next.